Hi there, and welcome to Fluent English Story Vault. Get ready to listen closely. Repeat with confidence. Focus on every word. One day, you'll speak English fluently. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Ellie. I loved Eric. We were happy. He made me laugh. He made me feel safe. We drank coffee together every morning. We talked about our future. One day, I had a work trip in another city, but the trip was canceled. I didn't tell Eric. I wanted to surprise him. I smiled and said to myself, he will be happy to see me. That night, I came home. It was almost midnight. The house was dark and quiet. His car was outside. Only one light was on in the bedroom. I took off my shoes and walked slowly. Then I heard a voice, a soft laugh, a woman's laugh. I stopped. I walked to the bedroom door. It was open just a little. And then I saw them. Eric and Chloe. My best friend. They were close, holding each other. Chloe said, "I love you." She smiled. Eric kissed her hand. Suddenly, they saw me. Their faces changed. Eric looked shocked. Chloe looked down. I felt cold. My hands shook. I didn't cry. I just looked at them. Then I turned around and left. That night, I drove to a small motel. I could not sleep. I looked at the ceiling and felt empty. I remembered last summer. Eric and I went to the beach. He held my hand and said, "I will never leave you." I believed him. Now, I was alone. No family near. No true friend. But the next day, I got up. I ate something. I went to work. I read a book. I walked in the park. I started to heal. 2 years passed. Yesterday, Eric sent me a message. "I miss you. Can we talk?" I looked at my phone. I smiled. Not because I missed him, but because I didn't. I answered, "I forgave you, but I'm not coming back." Some surprises hurt, but sometimes they show you how strong you are.